Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Good. Students, in this video we are discussing important current affairs for two topics, that is science and tech and environment for April month. It will be quite an important and interesting session. Stay tuned with us till the end. Let's start. The first question is, mark the correct statement regarding the milestones achieved by the Goa Shipyard Limited in March related to the defense vessels. Among the following, if we see, all the three options are rightly mentioned. GSL launched INS Sachi. INS Sachi is being manufactured by GRSC, right? Along with GSL, that is Goa Shipyard Limited, and GSL delivered Indian Coast Guard ship Achal, a fast patrol vessel, to the Indian Coast Guard also. So both are important, take a note. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the NASA's Artemis 2 mission launched in April. Among the following also, all the three options are rightly mentioned. The 4-member crew was Reid Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch and Jeremy Hansen. And NASA is using Space Launch System rocket to send 4 astronauts on a crew test flight here. Apart from this, NASA is using the Orion crew capsule for this mission. This is important, so take a note. Next, the integrated airdrop test successfully conducted by the ISRO in April at Sriharikota is associated with which mission? It is associated with Gaganyaan mission. Next, name the company that unveiled Muse Spark AI model in April to strengthen their position in the global AI race. So right option is Meta Platforms Incorporation. Next, name the NASA's Orion capsule that carried Artemis 2 crew to their 10-day lunar mission. So we were discussing it. What was the name? That is Integrity. That I ask you to remember. That is your Orion crew capsule. The name is Integrity. Next is, what is the name of the initiative launched in April in 2026 by USA's Office of Science and Tech Policy to advance space nuclear power, targeting deployment of reactors on the moon and Mars? So name the initiative. What is the initiative? Right, it is National Space Technology Memorandum 3, NSTM 3. Next, in April, NASA announced the SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket will launch the Rosalind Franklin rover to Mars. This Rosalind Franklin rover belongs to which space agency? It belongs to European Space Agency. Next, in April, the China Manned Space Agency selected 2 Pakistani candidates. Who are they? Mohammad Zasin Ali and Khurram Daud. They were selected for astronaut training under the China's human spaceflight program. Next, identify the indigenously developed air-launched anti-ship cruise missile successfully test fired by the Pakistan Navy. Right option is Taimur missile. Next, identify the space telescope that was unveiled by NASA in April to study dark matter, dark energy and exoplanets. It is Roman Space Telescope. Next, name the private space company whose New Glenn rocket failed to place the Bluebird 7 satellite into their intended orbit in April during a mission aimed to enhance space-based cellular connectivity. So name that private space company. It is Blue Origin and it is of Jeff Bezos. Next, identify the private space company that flagged off India's first privately built orbital rocket, that is Vikram 1 in April, from Hyderabad, Telangana to Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. So identify that private space company. Right option is Skyroot Aerospace Private Limited. Next, China National Space Agency. They have launched Pakistan Remote Sensing Satellite Earth Observation 3 using Long March 6 rocket from Taiyuan Satellite Launch Center in Shaanxi Province. Next, students, these were your current affairs. Now let's move to some environment related questions. First is the newly discovered bent-toed gecko species, that is Cryptodactylus ramonensis, was found in which Indian state? So they were found in Meghalaya. Right? So I correct myself. They were found in Assam is the right option. Next, In April, a team of scientists from India and Indonesia announced the discovery of a new species of burrowing reed snake, right, that is named as Calmaria garonensis. Right, they were discovered in Garo Hills. Where was this species discovered basically? So this was in Meghalaya. Garo Hills are in Meghalaya. Next, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has declared an area of 408.7 square kilometer around the Barasinga Wildlife Sanctuary as an eco-sensitive zone. Under which schedule of the Constitution of India is this power delivered? It is under the 7th schedule. Next, name the state where Shekha Jheel Bird Sanctuary was designated as a Ramsar site by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in April 2026. Right option, Aligarh, UP. Next, identify the state where a 5-year project titled Strengthening Institutional Capacities for Securing Biodiversity Conservation Commitments was launched in April by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and National Biodiversity Authority. Where were they launched? In Tamil Nadu and Meghalaya. Next, identify which of the following is not among the newly designated UNESCO Global Geoparks announced by UNESCO. So, among the following, all are there except Sundarban Delta of India. Next, students, these were your important current affairs. Now, let's move to some revision part. Next is mark the correct statement regarding the extension of the Prime Minister's Electric Drive Revolution in Innovation Vehicle Enhancement Scheme, that is PM E-Drive scheme, as announced in March 26. Among the following, if we see the correct option here, option A is right, B is right and C is rightly mentioned. Next, in March, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy extended the commissioning deadline for certain projects under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Utthan Mahabhiyan, that is PM Kusum scheme, to watch date. So that deadline has been extended till 31st of March 2027. Next, Punjab Cabinet chaired by Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann has approved Mukhyamantri Mawan Diyan Satkar Yojana to provide financial assistance to women under the which eligible beneficiaries will receive a stipend or a payment of 1000 rupees per month. This will be a direct benefit transfer. That means in their bank account money will be directly transferred. Next, mark the incorrect statement regarding the National Piped Natural Gas Drive 2.0 extended by the Government of India in March. So you have to find the incorrect statement here. Option B is right, C is right, A is wrong, which is our answer. A is saying that the PNG Drive 2.0 was conducted from 1st January 26 to 31st of April under the initiative. Is it so? So it was conducted from which date to which date? It was from 1st of January 2026 till 31st of March 2026. And this was under a theme. What is the theme? Har Ghar PNG, Har Ghar CNG or Har Gadi CNG. Next, the correct statement regarding the launch of Nyay Setu AI chatbot during the Disha program in March 2026. So correct statement among the following, all the three options are rightly mentioned. Next, identify the center that was designated as India's first national repository for deep sea fauna by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in March 26. So identify the center here. Right option is Bhavskara Referral Center. Next, the National Biodiversity Authority under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has announced that India has emerged as the global leader in issuing internationally recognized certificates of compliances under which protocol in March 2026. It was under the Nagoya Protocol. Next, in April, the Department of Telecommunication under the Ministry of Communication extended the deadline for subscriber identity module, that is SIM binding implementation for over-the-top platforms to what? It was till 31st of December 2026. Next, identify the correct statement regarding Karam Yogi Sadhana Saptah 26 virtually launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for civil servants in April 26. Among the following, option B is right, C is right, A is wrongly mentioned. A is saying that the sadhana, what does this sadhana stands for? Strengthening adaptive development and humane aptitude for national advancement Saptah. This is organized by the Capacity Building Commission from 2nd June to 8th of June. Is it so? No. This sadhana Saptah was actually from 2nd April to 8th of April. Now option A is also right. Next, name the university where Microsoft established the AI Skill Center in April to enhance digital skill and employability. Right option is Chandigarh University. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the declaration of National Council of Educational Research and Training NCRT as the deemed to be university in March. So identify the correct statement here. Option B is right, C is right, A is wrong. So A is saying that it was declared under Section 2 of the UGC Act of 1956. Is it so? No, not Section 2 but actually Section 3. Next, in April, Union Minister Jyotiraditya M. Scindia has released a 5 rupees commemorative postage stamp to mark Dash Postal Training Center of Saharanpur, UP. So to mark the 75 years of Postal Training Center of Saharanpur, UP. Next, mark the incorrect statement regarding Bharat Tribes Fest 26 held in New Delhi. So mark the correct option here. Among the following, incorrect: A is right, B is right, C is wrong, which is our answer. C is saying that it is the first phase projected that features 12 clusters covering 7 tribe weaves and 2 embroideries and 3 crafts. Is it so? So in the first phase, it features not 12, 10 clusters covering total of 5 tribes, 2 weavers and 3 embroideries. So now option C is also right. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the television rating policy 26 notified by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So we have to find the correct statement here. Option B is right, C is right, A is wrongly mentioned. A is saying that the minimum net worth requirement for the TV rating agencies was reduced to 3 crore rupees. No, it was reduced from 20 crore rupees to 5 crore rupees, not 3 crore rupees. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the initiatives launched during the Administrative Capacity Building Program in April 2026. So among the following, all these options are rightly mentioned. Next, identify the state where National Institution for Transforming India's Atal Innovation Mission launched 2 new initiatives, that is Atal Tinkering Lab Sarthi and Mentor India Academy in April 2026. So right option here is, which state we are talking about? It is Telangana. Next, students, identify the organization that launched the inaugural annual survey of incorporated service sector enterprise in April 2026. So identify that organization. It is NSO, National Statistics Office. Then next is mention the city that has been officially notified as the sole capital of Andhra Pradesh in April under Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Amendment Act of 2026. So mention that city. It is your Amravati. Next, name the location where India's indigenously built prototype fast breeder reactor achieved criticality. So it was in Kalpam, Tamil Nadu. Next, Indian Army has released a strategic roadmap that is focusing on unmanned aerial systems and loitering munitions in New Delhi to strengthen India's self-reliant drone ecosystem and enhance modern warfare capabilities. So option 2 is the right option. Next is identify the incorrect statement regarding India's wind energy achievement announced in April. Among the following, we have to find the incorrect statement here. So option A is wrong and B is wrong, C is rightly mentioned. Our answer is A and B. So if we look at option A, India's total installed wind capacity crossed 36 gigawatts. No, the wind capacity, it crossed 56 gigawatts. Option 2, Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra are leading states in wind energy installation. So Gujarat, not Kerala, Karnataka and Maharashtra. These are the 3 states, Gujarat, Karnataka and Maharashtra. These are the leading states in the wind energy installations.